Yes, good morning students. How are you all? We are doing the chapter cell and now we have start from page number 83. There is a cell structure. This is the basic component of cell. It has cell wall at the outer, then plasma membranes inside, then nucleus at the center. Now first is cell membranes, the outermost layer that encloses the cytoplasm and the nucleus within is called cell membranes. You can see the figure 7.8 in your book. Okay. Now this is present in all living organisms. It is also known as plasma membranes. It regulates the entry and exit of substance from the cell. It is semi-permeable. Yes, it holds all the cell pieces. Cell pieces means cell components and fluid inside the cell and keeps any nasty or waste things outside the cell. This is the work of cell membranes. The holes are in the cell membranes to let important things to move in and out of the cell. Then plasma membranes, it has lipids. Its structure is like this. Then glycopids like this, proteins, cholesterols, then carbohydrates like this. You can see the figure of plasma membranes. These are the substances present in plasma membranes. Now, next is cell wall. Cell wall is present in plants only. There is an additional covering over the living plasma membranes called cell wall. Means cell wall is present in plants only and it is the extra covering over the plasma membranes. Why plant cell has additional covering over the plasma membranes? This is because plants are immovable and need extra protection from the variations like change in temperature, pressure, wind and other environmental stress. So it provide protection to the plant cell with called cell wall. Then cell wall. This is a structure of cell wall. You can see 7.10. This is a structure of cell wall. It has primary cell wall, the outer, then gluey pectin layer, then secondary cell wall. Okay. Then next we have cytoplasm. Now what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a fluid that fills a cell. It is jelly-like substance present between the cell membranes and the nucleus. Okay. This one, the dark one. Now it is made up of components of basic element carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen like sugars, fats and proteins. It is made up of these components. The major solvent is water. All the metabolic activities takes place inside the cytoplasm. So this is the work of cytoplasm. Now we have cell organelles. The cells however inside themselves smaller microscopic structures bound by the membranes which perform various cellular functions. These includes nucleus, mitochondria, plastid, etc. This is in the cell organelle. Now next one is nucleus. The nucleus is in center of the cell. It is very important. This is the most important component of cell. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. It has nuclear membranes. Nuclear membrane is separated by the cytoplasm by a membranes called nuclear membranes. Okay, it separates the cell membranes and nuclear membranes. Now nucleoplasm, inside the nuclear membranes a dense fluid is present which is called nucleoplasm. Chromosomes are very important. Floating in the nucleoplasm are thread-like structures called chromosomes. Now chromosomes, we have genes. Genes, we all know it is hereditary unit. Chromosomes carry information in the form of genes that are transferred from one generation to another. Okay, so genes carry hereditary one generation to another. Now nucleus is a controlling unit of cell. It regulates and coordinates the activities of cell and its organelles. Now next one is vacuoles. Now what are the vacuoles? Vacuoles is also known as storage bins of cell. They are found in both animals and plant cells but are much larger in plant cells. Food vacuoles. Vacuoles might store food or any variety of nutrients a cell might need to survive. These are called food vacuoles. They can even store waste products. Why it store waste products? So that the rest of the cell is protected from the contamination. There is a membrane that surrounds a mass of fluid. The nutrients and waste product are present in the fluid. Plants may also use vacuoles to store water. These tiny water bags helps to support the plants and maintain the structure. Now next is chloroplast. Now what is chloroplast? Chloroplasts are the food producers of cell. They are only found in plants only. The green plant, we all know that the green plant convert the energy of sun into sugars, and by the also there is a product oxygen. This all takes place inside the chloroplast. Okay, now photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process of plant taking energy from the sun, creating sugar using chlorophyll. Chlorophyll use that solar energy to combine carbon dioxide and water and create sugar and oxygen. This is the chemical reaction. Now next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cell. Now what is known as powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. It oxidizes sugar in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide and energy. So sugar means glucose, combines with oxygen, gives carbon and water, carbon dioxide plus water. Now figure 7.1 structure of chloroplast and 7.12 structure of mitochondria. This is also important.